Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the card menu on this watch. Basically the widgets, I would call them. So first let's open the cards menu so I can show you what I mean by widgets. Wake up the screen on your watch, and once you're on the home screen you can swipe left on the screen to open the cards menu, and here we have different I would call them widgets. They call it cards. On Android on Android OS they call it glances, I believe. No, glances are the Garmin ones. The Android calls them something else. I don't remember. But anyway, every type of watch calls it differently, which is kinda annoying, but it is what it is. And here we have those cards, and we can basically go through them, and they have different functions. For example, we have the activity one, we have the calls, contacts, calendar, and stuff like that. Here we have a lot of things like body temperature, stress, health, sleep, blood oxygen, something like that. Anyway, they have different functions. And we can customize this menu, we can change the cards and stuff like that. To do it, we need to go back to the home screen, then press the Crown button to open the menu. And now we need to find the settings. So find the settings icon and then tap on it. In settings, look for the option called Manage Cards. And here we have it. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have basically our list, and we can customize it. And what we can do with this list? We can remove the cards from the list, because you can have only limited amount of them. You can tap add, because there's a max member of a favorite card selected. So we can remove one, for example the music one, by tapping on the bin icon under it. And once you remove the card and you free up the space for it, and let me go back to the menu. Somehow I managed to not remove it. Okay, so once you remove the card and make up space for more, you will be able to tap on plus button, and here you can scroll through the list, find something you would like to use as your menu card or card menu, or as a card info, whatever it's called. For example, maybe compass. Okay, so I'm gonna add compass. Okay, and once you go back, the compass should be right here on the list. You can also change the position of the cards. So let's say I want compass to be first. To do it, we need to press and hold on it, and then drag it to the position we want it to be in, and then release it. Okay, and once you're done customizing your card menu, you can press the Crown button, and the changes should be applied. And that's how you customize the card menu or widget menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.